Welcome to this tutorial on how to paper trade with eToro. Paper trading is a great way to practice your trading skills without risking real money. eToro offers a demo account that allows you to explore different trading strategies using virtual funds. Let's get started. First, if you do not already have an eToro account, go to the eToro website and sign up. Once you have created your account, log in and navigate to your profile. There, you will find an option to switch to a demo account. This gives you a virtual balance that you can use to start trading. Next, familiarize yourself with the eToro platform. You can explore various assets like stocks, cryptocurrencies, and commodities. Use the search bar to find the assets that interest you. Once you have selected an asset, you can view real-time market data, charts, and news that can help inform your trades. Now, it's time to make your first trade. Decide on the asset you want to trade and click on it. You will see the option to buy or sell. Enter the amount you wish to trade and review the details before finalizing your order. Remember, with paper trading, you can experiment as much as you want. This is the perfect opportunity to test different strategies and learn how the market works without any financial risk. Happy trading!